Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes contact the armature's commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brush set is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush caps that secure the brushes. With the brush cap removed, now I can remove the brush. To install the new brush, I align it with the brush holder and insert it. Next, I'll align these tabs with the brush holder, and I'll hold that in place while I reinstall the brush cap. Make sure the threads grab and secure the cap. Don't over tighten the cap or you'll break it or the holder. And I repeat this on the other brush. And that's how easy it is to install new brushes on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.